Hi kids. Thanks for watching this video, and in this video I'm going to explain a little bit what you need to do on this week. And please pay attention please and repeat after me. And then please, we need to learn a little bit about adjectives in this video, okay? So you need to work some pages. We're going to start on page 218, and we're going to describe, okay? And what is an adjective? Before we start, let me explain to you. An adjective it's a word that we use to describe a place, a thing, or animal. Okay. For example, I'm gonna give you a couple examples right here. For example, what is this? This is a remote control. And then how can I describe this? I can say the remote control is black. So I'm describing then it has a black color. Okay, if I say this bowl is red, so I can say the bowl is red. I'm describing and the bowl is red. So I can also say the bowl is small. So I'm describing the bowl is a small little one. Okay, and I can also describe this clock. How can I describe this? And I can say the clock is small. So I'm describing that the clock is small. And then if I say the clock is green, so I'm saying then it has green color. Okay, and then let's see some example from our English book. Okay, so if you see right here, what can you see in the picture? You see the clouds and the sun and the sky. Okay, let's describe the sky. So it says the sky is big. The sky is big. How is the sky? Big. The sky is blue. It has blue color. Okay, the sky has white clouds, so this one's white clouds. So big, blue, and white are describing words. Okay, so let's describe these parts right here. On this page, kids, you don't need to do nothing. Okay, so just pay attention and please repeat. And then you can say, remember to say, the lake is beautiful. The lake is small. The lake is green. The lake is big. Okay. And also you can say the lake has small docks. The lake has beautiful docks, for example. The lake has green trees. The lake has big water. The lake has blue color. Okay, so you're describing the lake. And let's describe the park. How can we describe this park? According to the picture, we can see flowers with different colors. We can also see the small river. So we can say the park is beautiful. The park is pink. The park is big. Okay. And we can also say the park has. Remember, we use has for things. Has and have. Okay. The park has red flowers. So you see right here, the park has pink flowers. The park has beautiful flowers. Remember, flowers, because too many flowers. The park has yellow flowers right here. The park has a river in the middle. Has a river. Okay, that has a beautiful water. The park has beautiful trees. So we describing, then the park has beautiful trees. Okay, so what do you need to do on page 242? On that page, please, you need to do some activities. Okay, so it says adjectives. Let's read this together. Look, what is an adjective? An adjective describes a person, place, or thing, or animal. You can also describe animal. Remember, how can you describe a person? You can describe your parents, your brother, your sister, or yourself. You can say, I am a smart person. How are you describing yourself that you are smart? Okay, if you want to describe your brother, how can you describe your brother? You can say, my brother is intelligent. So you're describing a person. If you want to describe a place, how can you describe a place? You can say, my house is beautiful. My house is big. My house has a white color. It's in white, okay? Or you can use place, for example, the supermarket, and you can say the supermarket is big. So you're describing that it's big. But what if it's a small one? You can say the supermarket is small. And then if you want to describe an animal, how can you describe an animal? Maybe you have a beautiful puppy at home and you said, my puppy is cute. So you describing then it's beautiful, it's cute. Okay, and if you say my pet, my dog is black, it has black color. So you describing that your dog has black colors. And then if you have a cat, you can say my cat is it's beautiful. My cat is white. So you're describing your cat, okay? So let's read these examples right here which we have in our English book. The house is new. What are we doing? Describing then the house is new. The girls are happy. So they are happy. We're describing then they are happy. Okay, so what do you need to do on this page? It says use the words from the word bank. This is the word bank. To complete the sentences, follow the examples above. Okay, so if you see right here, things and describing words. So you need to do this when it says things, it goes to this side, okay? And describing words on this side. And how are you going to do? You see the example right here? The bird, this one, the bird is blue. So you're using the thing right here and describing words. Pick one from here. Blue. The bird is blue. So one is done for you. Okay, so one thing you need to remember is, remember when it's only one, for example, the bird is only one. So you use is, okay? And this one, plural, singular, plural, plural, and singular, okay? So when I say singular, it's only one. If I say plural, more than two, okay? Okay, you say two. And then you see right here, ducks, it's plural. Kite, it's singular. Flowers, plural. Bikes, or plural. Window, singular. And book, singular. Okay, so please don't forget that one. Okay, so that's all you need to do on this page, kids. And thank you. And we're going to on the next.
She can swim. She can't swim. He can walk. He can't walk. She can ride a horse. She can't ride a horse. Can, can't. He can eat nuts. He can't eat nuts. He can jump. He can't ride. Leo can't play. Mike can play soccer. Leo can play. Leo can't play. He can eat nuts. He can't eat nuts. Linda can Tim can't write. Tom can run. Good job.
Okay, so we are learning about what can you do and what you cannot do. Okay, what can you do in the park? For example, we have right here the park rules. What does that mean, park rules? So something you can do it and something you cannot do it at the park. Okay, when you go at the park, you cannot do anything or everything you want to do it. Okay, so take a look this sign right here, we call this one sign. Okay, so this one right here you can do it, and this one you cannot do it, and this one you can, and this one you cannot. This one you can, you cannot. Okay, so park rules: you can fly a kite, you cannot take a dog for a walk in the park. Ride a bike. You can ride a bike. Yes, you can. Yes, you can ride a bike. You cannot litter in the park. You cannot throw garbage on the floor in the park. You can have a picnic at the park. Yes, you can have a picnic. You cannot take a glass. You can't take a glass. You cannot. Okay, so it says right here. So what are we going to do in this part? We need to go on page 242. 242. 243, I'm sorry, 243. And then what we need to do, it says, what can you do? What can you do? Look, see, we have examples in positive and negative. Okay, I can run and play. You're able to run and play. She can eat a sandwich, and you cannot. They cannot step on the grass. We can't cut the flowers. We cannot cut the flowers. Okay, so what do you need to do in here? You need to see the pictures, and according to your pictures you need to answer. What can I, what can and cannot you, what can and can't you do in the park? Circle the answer and write in the box. Okay, I can, so you see, I can, and write it down up here, ride a bike. I can ride a bike. So the kids, the boy is, he can ride a bike, okay, in the park. So you see this sign right here, walk on the glass. Walk on the grass. You think you can do it? No, you cannot walk on the grass. Okay, so what is it? I can walk on the grass. Number two, you see this one right here, what they are doing? They are playing. So what do you think? Think it's positive or negative? So please do the next ones, do them, and please, as soon as you finish, and do this one too. It says write about one thing you can do in the classroom and one you cannot do in the classroom. Okay, what can you do? Positive, and what you cannot do. Okay, remember, you need to write it down. One you can and one you cannot. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much, kids, and thanks for watching this video. And I hope this video will help you a little bit. And thanks a lot, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.